Okay, guys, it's me for my next video. I'm doing some sexy 1v1 with the normal type gym. So we're doing a gym battle. It's not gym battle, but I just want to know you Monotype and got a gym leader. Apparently he's the normal type gym leader of something, and I'm a fighting type gym. Yes, I am a gym leader. Screw you guys. It used Spore. That cool, because I'll just fake him out next turn. Shell Smash. That's nice. He's trying to set up on me. That's so cute. Fake out beats that. So, bam. Froggy for the win. Sorry, I'm just letting a little light in here. So he had a focus sash, so he could use Spore. He's got a Porygon Z without. He didn't have a download, which is kind of weird. I'll switch in the pants problem. Go for a high jump kick. Hopefully I can make it. I do. I one-hit KO his Clefable. See what he sends out next. He sends out Ambipom. No, I'm not going to get a hit off because of fake out. And he has a normal gym technician probably, because that's what most Ambipoms do. It knows aerial ice, but I barely hang on. I get an outrage off. It's going to take me down because I can't switch out. So I probably should have just used high jump kick to be safe. Because now he's going to take out Pants problem. And that's going to be a problem. Bam. I'll switch into Gallade. Because Gallade has Quick Claw, and Quick Claw can be deadly. If he sends out Staraptor, or not, Ursaring, fun. Toxic Orb. Oh, you're probably going to do like that switch thing, so I'm going to try to get a Drain Punch. Takes you out. Ursaring down. This is actually a really good Monotype battle, not just because I have the matchup. So it's gonna use Intimidate. Hopefully I get my thing down. I do not, so it takes me down a notch. I'm gonna go into Jeffrey Chan. Is that normal? Yeah. I'm gonna go for an Ice Punch. Why not Drain Punch? Why not Drain Punch? Drain Punch I don't want to use, so. So, Star Actor versus Jeffrey Chan versus, yeah. So, he has the advance, oh yeah, you have Life Orb, I forgot. Oh, wow, wow. Wow, just wow. Well, Star Actor's dead next turn, but he can take my team out now. Which scares me. Hopefully I wake up. If I wake up, I can have a great chance of winning. Otherwise, I'm screwed. Because Breloom can't. I don't think a Breloom can beat both of them. Yep, so I stay asleep. Takes out 3 of my Pokemon. Because I couldn't get the Quick Claw off. So it's just 2v1. Normal versus, yeah. I got some great hits on him. Oh, I am the Hitmonchan man, and I don't have a Hitmonchan. Because if I'm a gym team, I don't want to go for, like, I don't want to use my signatures, even though it's fighting. I'd prefer to go with Breloom. Oh, yeah, okay, Spore. Yeah, if you're faster, I'm gonna lose, so. Spore, because Aerial Ace will kill me, no doubt. Because I have Toxic Orb. I have friends who use offensive Breloom, not Spore, Toxic Orb. Well, no, they all have Spore, but not Toxic Orb. I don't understand why, because Toxic Orb is like the best around. Wait, what else? No, I don't know what abilities you could have. You have Technician. So yeah, he beat me there. I'll do one more battle with my team. Okay, that. Come on. I would like another battle. Please. I'm just gonna check who's on this chat. Okay, well. Poison. Switch on their night farms, obviously. Get out of a lobby chat then. So we got some Poison versus Dark. He starts out with Crobat. I'm going with... why is a Crobat no Brave Bird? Oh, wow. Life Orb. Fun. I have great luck with Life Orb. So I'm going to Fake Out. And hoping... I don't think my Mach Punch will kill it if that didn't. So a Flare Blitz. Because it will die because I got my Fake Out off. I could have won if Infernape didn't die. He would have got Infern-raped. So I'm faster than Crobat. I take out 1, 3, 5 more to go. Sorry. Murder's my Gallade, which is my best. Yeah, outspeed. Fern-rape. What do you not understand? Infern-rape. Infern-rape. Infrape. Infrape. He's Infrape. Okay, so somehow Nidoking outspeeds me. If any of you know what the heck just happened, please tell me. Or I'm guessing Choice Scarf, so Ice Punch takes it out, no problem. Jeffrey Chan for the punch. This is gonna be my second battle. My last battle. Sends out Gengar. Gengar misses his Hypnosis. That sucks. He misses again. Hypno Hack. Right there. So, next Pokemon. And so far, I'm like beating his team right now. Drain Punch. Because I'm not sure if fighting's like weak against poison. I'm pretty sure it is. Not like it would matter. Oh, Life Orb, fun. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna matter because I'm just gonna beat him up. Ice Punch. If I had Choice Band on this, I would like to see what would happen, but for Monotype, except that might not be the best idea. So he sends a Venusaur. I'm just gonna Ice Punch Venusaur, but he takes me down. So I'll send in Toxicroak. Fake Out. Sucker Punch, maybe? Nope, you're going to Sleep Powder me. Okay, well. I'll switch into Pants Problem. I'll go for a Dragon Dance. I'm not sure I can... If Venusaur outspeeds me, I will wonder about society. No, Venusaur. It's Venusaur. You can't beat a freaking Venusaur. So he gets a crit off. It's now or never. I'm going first, guaranteed with that. I get a crit Outrage. So as long as I outspeed Weezing, I'm pretty sure I won this. Yeah, Outrage on a Scrafty. That is genius. So, just Weezing left. Even if I don't kill him with this, I'm still gonna, beat him. He goes for the Clear Smog just because of stat reset. I forgot that Toxicroak was asleep for a second. Yeah, pain split. Oh. Cross chop, obviously. I need to use my fighting. Why are you using pain split still? We both have black sledge. Let's just get our problems solved. I'm still asleep. Some reason, I think he thought I was gonna wake up. Because I am this turn. Cross chop it. That doesn't do anything. Well, I might as well swords dance since this is going to be a long match. If I, like, raise myself so much... Yeah, you're gonna take me out by myself, but I can still... I don't know why he hasn't toxic me. I mean, seriously. You have toxic. Use... Oh, yeah, I'm poisoned. Wow. That moment when you feel like an idiot. So, I pretty much won this. Yeah, he think I'm still gonna win. He said, do it! Still will win. He thinks he can still... I think he thinks he can win. That's so nice. Probably can't kill me. Oh. Well, that was a good monotype. I lost against the normal team, but I beat the poison team. Just because Breloom. I didn't even have to use Breloom. Well, yeah, that's going to be all for this video. I'll see you guys later.